Oh no. I was literally standing next to where the chainsaw guy comes out. You stay back, you ugly. What's up, bitches and ass faces? I'll be playing some Resident Evil 4. Honestly, I was wondering about playing this because, like, okay, thank you. I already know. Thank you. Because it came out a while ago. Actually, quite a while ago. So, wonder how many people still want to see it or not. God, this is a beautiful game. Oh, there's our job failed. Resident daughter dead. Just to let everyone. Imagine if they remade Resident Evil 6. Ah, good old Daddy Leon. May I just say, like, the fact that, like, someone like Leon went into being a cop, like, with his looks, instead of, like, being an actor or something, like, that is just straight amazing. I wonder if I selected one of the costumes I got, if he would look like a Victorian person in the back of that car. Of course, people would go missing out here. Like, is surrounded by surrounded by a small village, a church, and then probably multiple different grave sites. Also, I have seen some of this game. Like, I'm not completely. I don't know nothing. I don't know. Why does that guy look even younger than Leon? Even though, well, he looks a lot around the same age as Leon. The first person to die, the one trying to piss out in the woods. So, where we are right now is some like old abandoned like Spanish like village out in the middle of nowhere. So this is Spain. I can only presume. Dude, you are sounding so creepy. Like, oh, you can only suspect, only get so much help from people like that. Honestly, the movement in this game is very nice because, like, I played other, like, third person shooters and everything, but, like, this, the movement in this feels a lot more fluid and nice. Especially, like, how you can just, like, kind of, like, strafe a little bit. Honestly, before I thought the running was, like, a little bit clunky looking, but I guess, yeah, he can run a decent amount. A lot better than what I thought I remember seeing. What did they do to Bambi? Or would you be considered Bambi's mother or Bambi? Also, is there any, like, is that even meant to be, like, a kid's show? Like, not kids, but, like, kids' movie? Because, like, it's animated and it's a Disney thing, so is it just supposed to be, like, a really, really depressing, like, sad kids' movie? And of course, I walk over there and find nothing. Game, let me find, like, some antique coin or something. Be like Resident Evil 7. Let me find a collectible, now I can take it. I I will have to say I don't know if anyone else does it, but like whenever you have like a way that kind of splits off into two different directions, I always now let's look really closely at this. Judgment is nigh because Resident Evil 7 I still think I like that game a lot because of the fact that at the end of it you literally come back to the house you started from and you find like literally a clue that signifies and basically spoils the end of the game. And like not spoils but like clues you in like, oh, this is this like serum that is like infected everything. I think it's very neat. Also, if I sound like my voice is a little bit strange, that I'm coming down from a sickness, so right now I'm just trying to get better. Where does it want me to go? Does it want me to go through here? Okay, yes I am. Are you the one who set that trap up for that little wolfie that we ended up helping in this one? Oh, Jesus, you were creepy. Leon, you know how to speak Spanish. You've gotten even better in my books. Makes me want to fuck you more. Sorry if that sounds a little out of pocket. But if you were to fuck any like male in any video games, it would have to be like Leon or Chris. One of those two. Also, I'm sorry, but how did he not see what his face looked like when he first came in? Like, it's very obvious that something was very wrong with him. Bloodshot eyes, bloody mouth. Looked like he was already very close to being a zombie. Also, I got in a little bit of a quafuffle with my brother about like that guy, and honestly, I've completely forgot in the beginning he had a mustache. Light on, Leon. God knows what we'll find down here. A lot of bones, probably. And for some reason, a lot of nooses. If you have this many nooses, why isn't there like more dead bodies hanging around? Oh, what is behind the curtain? Probably more guys that would jump out and scare me. Or jump out to try to scare me. Like, you can barely see his mustache with all that blood. Game, when you do this, you freak me out. Oh, come on. Double tap. Are you dead now? I did double tap you, so you should be dead. Hopefully. How many more am I going to find in here? Now, what kind of shit's in here? Any good shit? Maybe a shotgun? Also, I don't know if, like, it's amazing the fact that he went ahead and just has a leather jacket for a leather jacket. Here's Johnny. And you know, sure as hell, he ain't going to go jump out that window, whole action movie hero type thing. So far, I am enjoying this game, and I know that there's traps around because I think I've seen people who like get snagged in those traps. Whenever I'd see a tiny bit of gameplay on this game. Also, I know well enough to know what that lake intoes, or what that lake means. Yes. Mission accomplished. Bird down. Also, from what I know, you can get like materials and shit in this game from everything, which is something I actually very much like. And Leon ain't no baby, he can knock open a barrel with his own foot. Isn't like Leon where, well, not Leon, but Ethan, where he needed his, like, needed a knife of some kind to break it open. Like, you'd think even though, like, Ethan, like, in the 8th Resident Evil, like, got special training from Chris, like, you would think he would be able to, like, like, you know, like, break things open with his hands, like Chris trained you, like, you could probably stop a boulder with your bare hands now. I wonder how cool it'd be, like, if they actually took someone who looked like Leon and put him in the game and then just used his voice and his. I missed my chance, damn it. I should have been more on it. Also, when I first saw this wolf in the game, I thought that wolf meant that, like, that you aren't able to save a wolf in this game, and then he helps you out in the future. For the most part, I know a decent amount about this game and about how some of the things that happen in it. Now, where's the possible bear trap? There's one, but that one already got set off. Pesos. Also, is pesos like Spanish money? Because, like, it kind of sounds like it. Or is that just a made up? Oh, Jesus. Oh, you motherfucker. Please tell me there's, like, a dodge in this game, because that would help extraordinarily amount. Thank you for the cashier. Okay. I wonder, like, seeing how plentiful gunpowder is, I wonder how much you can actually make with it in this game, because I played a little bit of Resident Evil 2, and I never finished it, but I know in that game you can get quite a lot of gunpowder. And with that gunpowder, you can make quite a lot of bullets. I know what you are. So is there no way to set those off without, like, shooting them and wasting a bullet? Oh, Jesus. I did not want that game. I like how I end up picking up two things before I actually end up kicking him. Yeah, let's grab this and that. And now I kick you. Roundhouse kick you even. That is the fancy version of kicking, which I will have to say is pretty cool. At least I think it is. Actually, I know everyone thinks it is, because, like, I'm pretty positive even before this remake happened, that was the standard, like, thing you would see happen. Oh, Jesus. Oh, chicken. Okay, I do think it would have probably taken him a lot longer to like die from those flames, unless he like went into shock. Like that is the other possibility. He could probably have just got into shock, and that could have caused him to like pass out and then start burning more. Okay, game, are you going to be forgiving and like give me a little bit of incentive and tell me how I go ahead and stealth kill things? Or are you going to be a dick? But goddamn, look at that ass. Okay, so stealth killing is pretty nice, but how does sound travel though? How worried do I need to be about being stealthy with this? Okay. Is there any like throw rock mechanic or something? Because that would come in handy very much right now. Because is he still out there? Can I do a little bit of look through the wood? Why is there so much Spanish? Speak English, you fuck. Is there only so much of like stealthing I can do with this, or can like this guy up here turn around? Because I am not confident that I can take out every guy in here and remain undetected. That is not something I'm very confident in. Honestly, I might just need to see about going full guns blazing with this, because I do not think I can get around him without him seeing me and then alerting everyone. Or we could try something. Yeah, I have an idea. Ooh, thank you for the resources. Now, are you going to come, or are you just going to stand there? Okay, you're just going to stand there. Well, looks like I cannot stealth this, sadly. Oh, motherfucker. I'm on, buddies. Oh no. I was literally standing next to where the chainsaw guy comes out. You stay back, you ugly fuck. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna win this. Like, can I? I wonder if I can just run away from them, or if like that's not something I can do. Grenades, where are you? I really need you. Damn it. Okay, thank you for letting me know. Yeah, I know. Okay, game. Game, please stop it. Let's see about... Let's see about taking the old heal spray. Good. Oh, what are you doing now? Oh, you motherfucker. Well, I'm sorry, Leon. I ended up making you have to get cut in half. Is there any way to, like, dodge around things? I might generally need to see about just, like, coming back to this at a later date. Or just trying this again. Okay, she's still over there. I might see about stopping it here. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.